Hello, Raj. It's Tony here. Merry Ramadan. Anyway, my wife, well, we've got you some food, because I know you're fasting at the moment. That's right, isn't it? We've checked it's all halal.
Cheers, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That's
What
all
did you
right.
get?
Oh, well, let's have a look. There's halal pasta. Yes, I think it is. Some halal ice cream. Oh, there's some halal beef burgers there, and some fruit as well. I've got some lovely halal oranges and halal bananas. And
How did you get them halal? How did you find halal oranges?
I spoke to your local imam, and he was very kind. He said if I said a prayer, and I think I got it right, and I said it over the bananas. Anyway, look, shall I leave this on the doorstep?
Is the bag halal though?
Oh dear.
Are you sure that the bag is halal? Didn't the imam tell you about that?
No, he didn't. Oh, I'm so sorry. Do you want me to take the stuff out of the non-halal bag then and